Researchers now regard the age of an individual as an important factor in sexual well-being more than ever. Age has always been a factor, but only because age influences things like stamina and sexual activity potentially. However, recent studies are showing that age can affect a person's sexual health more directly, particularly if more external influences are taken into account. According to the report, persons who lost their virginity at young or older age as a whole can be physically or psychologically quirky related to sex, which may be more subjective based on some community factors. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Also like and share this video so others can benefit from the knowledge. One of the first points scholars found was how little abstinence-only education had a less noticeable effect on statistics. According to raw statistics, individuals who lost their virginity at a younger age were considerably more likely to acquire a sexually transmitted condition later in life than normal. It also seems like the said individuals would develop other risk factors in sexual health, such as intercourse with multiple partners and the development of a history of sexual intercourse induced by alcohol. The knowledge of contraceptive techniques, rather than abstinence, had an impact on the reduction of risk associated with STD, but abstinence-only education did not have any substantial results. Sexual health problems were noticed to have increased among early as well as late individuals, as the study showed. The findings found that an incapacity to sustain an erection and premature ejaculation were one of the most common issues in males. According to the evidence, while most men have a risk for experiencing these problems for some time, for those who have lost their virginity before or after the usual normal age, it is a more obvious and permanent condition. Some data show that women who experience sexual intercourse early or later in their lives may often have difficulties in achieving an exciting and orgasmic condition. It was noticed that young men who started having sex later had more sexual deviations and dysfunctions than their earlier peers. Most of the deviations will actually be thought to be global, but the dysfunctions appear to be of psychological origin according to social-cultural background in which they are used. This requires circumstances under which certain environmental requirements must be met before the individual is physically aroused. Researchers also admitted that the link between certain abnormal sexual behaviors and the age at which one loses virginity are still uncertain. The analysis showed a complicated view of sexual well-being and its psychological consequences, as the existing statistics makes it impossible to design a cause and effect scenario. The statistics have been seen to endorse just abstinence education in certain ways, such as what is imposed in some public schools. Yet, other data show that lack of acceptance and recognition in abstinence-only curriculum can still lead to issues with sexual activity and behaviors later. At present, there are no public comments by scholars about which side of the debate they support. Thank you for watching our video that explains sexual health, virginity, deviant behavior, and age. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist. Everything you watch here is for educational purposes and does not serve as a medical advice. Make sure you consult your doctor before taking any health decision.